Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 90 Brookridge Drive in Greece.
This is a charming, mint condition property at an amazing value. So let's take a tour.
This property is filled with character and charm, featuring an expansive living room with a picture window, leading to a white and bright eat-in kitchen with wainscoting, a spacious dining room with a picture window overlooking the scenic backyard, and a sunroom with amazing natural light, all with beautiful hardwood floors. A decorative railing leads to the upstairs landing with 3 bedrooms, including a master, all with beautiful hardwood floors and an updated full bathroom.
Live a carefree lifestyle in this delightful home with great curb appeal. Enjoy and relax from your own private patio with a fenced-in backyard and beautiful landscaping. This is truly a house and garden gem located in the town of Greece.
Nearby is Lake Ontario and beautiful parks.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 90 Brookridge Drive in Greece.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!